Hey there, crypto enthusiasts. Welcome back to another straightforward guide. Today, we're diving into how to withdraw USDT from Coinbase Wallet to Exmo in 2025. If you're looking to move your USDT seamlessly, you're in the right place. This process is designed for beginners and pros alike, but remember, crypto transactions involve risks, so always double-check everything to keep your funds safe. First, ensure you have active accounts on both Coinbase and Exmo, with USDT available in your Coinbase wallet. Start by logging into your Coinbase account via the app or website. Once in, navigate to your wallet section and select USDT. Look for the withdraw or send option. It's usually straightforward. Before proceeding, switch over to Exmo. Log in to your Exmo account and go to the wallet or deposit section. Find your USDT wallet address. Make sure it's for the correct network, like Tron or Ethereum, as specified for 2025 protocols. Copy this address carefully. One wrong digit could mean lost funds. Now, back in Coinbase, paste the Exmo USDT address into the withdrawal form. Enter the amount of USDT you want to send, but don't forget to check for any withdrawal fees or minimum limits. These can vary, so it's smart to review them upfront to avoid surprises. Next, verify the details. Is the address correct? Is the amount accurate? If everything looks good, hit confirm. You'll likely need to complete a two-factor authentication, 2FA, step for security. Always a good practice in 2025's evolving crypto landscape. After confirmation, the transaction will be processed on the blockchain. This could take anywhere from a few minutes to an hour, depending on network traffic. Once it's done, check your Exmo account to confirm the USDT has arrived. And there you have it. That's how you withdraw USDT from Coinbase to Exmo in 2025. Always stay vigilant with your crypto. Use hardware wallets for storage and keep an eye on market updates. If this tutorial helped, smash that like button and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching and happy trading.